Today we're doing a hydrogen carbon clean on a 2009 V6 3.8 litre Kia Grand Carnival. We've got our little hydrogen generator. We'll start off at 5 amps. You can start the car up. Before you do these things, you've got to make sure all your oils, waters, everything is correct, because we're going to be idling for about an hour. Starting. Yep. And now that'll probably go up to about 10 to 12 amps once the electrolyte starts to warm up, and it'll create a lot more hydrogen gas. The idea is that hydrogen is the most combustible gas there is, and it also has a stripping effect of any carbon or soot that's in your fuel intake. Now it hasn't warmed up yet, but I'll just show you. We've got water there. We'll turn it on. You can see the hydrogen gas already being created, yep. Bang! And that's what we're going to be pumping through the air intake there to clean out the carbon. Okay, we've been on there idling for about 5 minutes. Rightio, give it a couple of... Keep going. A little bit of blackish smoke coming out. Yep. And now we let it idle for about another 5-10 minutes. Yep. There is a bit of black smoke coming out. There we go. Come on. Starting now. Yeah, it's just starting now. So that's after like 15 minutes. Go again. Yep, keep going. There's still more coming. Just starting to work now. Rightio. We let it do its magic for a bit longer. Now it's a cold day, so we're only on 6 amps. This usually gets up to about 10 or 12 amps. And you want to also make sure you don't lose the liquid in your bubbler, and you don't want to have liquid actually going through into here. I've seen videos where people have the electrolyte going through their motor. You don't want to have that. It's just purely Brown's gas or hydrogen gas going in the air intake there. Now sometimes the hydrogen will make the motor run a little bit hotter, so you want to always keep an eye on the water temperature. And we're on our 3rd rev, yep. So it's getting a lot worse, the black smoke coming out. Yep. We're on 7 amps. So it's making more hydrogen now. It's been about 20 minutes. The reason why this isn't warming up is it's a cold day today. Anyway, you see the idea of these hydrogen cleaners. I hope that's helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any comments or suggestions in the section below. And don't forget to throw us a beer if any of this information helps. Much appreciated, keeps us motivated. Thank you for watching.